Maybe it's pee.
Well, that felt really good. I can tell you which one felt better though. We bought these ice makers. This one makes round balls and this one makes square blocks. We like the way they come out. This is the square one and this is the round one. And they're great for drinks. Well, today I'm going to leave the little guy behind and we're going to go and take a trip over to Andrews, North Carolina. We passed that little town when we were going up to Robbinsville, but I've been there before. I just haven't filmed and I really liked it. So let's go ahead and take a trip over there and let me show you what it's all about. All the drinks are intact, so hopefully nothing will fall off this time around. Andrews is only about 20 minutes away, so it's a really short trip, which is what I like. This way I can get back home at a good decent time. I'm taking the back road to get there. That road in front, all the way on the other side, that's the main road. But this is a lot prettier. And you get to see a little bit more. On the road again, I'm happy to be on the road again. Gina asked me if I wanted to take a sandwich along for the ride, and I told her the best part of being on the road is to stop and get something along the way. We're only 5 minutes in and we've got the mountains in the background. I haven't seen one like that before where it's combined, the Family Dollar and the Dollar Tree. Now, I've been in this one, and I got to say that I don't really like the feel of it. Everything is kind of mixed and all over the place. For me personally, it's a hot mess. So let me show you what the inside of this looks like when it's not such a mess. This is the bed, and again, that bed comes up. So I've got all the storage underneath. Let me just show you again. I put some lights underneath there so it's censored. When it pops up, the lights come on. I've got plenty of room down there. I've got the TV set up. I think you've seen all of that before. But I put this up yesterday and I really like it. All of me loves all of you. And there's my girl. Let the adventure begin. This is the kitchenette, and I really like the way it came out. We've got the 2 chairs here, which open up and you can put storage underneath. We got our snacks and food here. And on this other one, we've got utensils and miscellaneous. I love having hand sanitizer inside the van. We had it in Mr. Van Gogh. That one was manual. This one, you just put your hands underneath here, and it comes out automatically. And it also gives you the temperature. I also put a hand towel dispenser over there. And those are the ones that have some tension, so you only pull one sheet at a time. But that's only temporary. I can't wait to finish up the cabinet, as well as finish up Charlie's bed. Yeah, overall, it is fuego in here, man. I really like the way it turned out. And the one thing that I like about this van build is that I could be here just like I am now in this parking lot and just come back here and lay down, and it is super comfy. When it's a beautiful day, people line up to get that car wash. That is the thing about Doritos. Can't stop eating them. Fast food places give you so many napkins. Like, who needs toilet paper? Judging by those signs, this town has a certain vibe. I guess since the car wash is right across from me, I should just go and get the van washed. Definitely needs it. The town of Andrews, North Carolina. All right, guys, so we're here. It's a nice downtown. I really enjoyed it last time I came. I think that's the best part of coming downtown. I love looking at the old buildings. You find places like this in between buildings. Look at this empty place. It looks like they're remodeling or doing something to it. It's huge. Let's take a walk on one of these side streets here. They do have a brewery right there in the corner. And I came by, I think, on a Friday or Saturday night. And that little place is packed. They've got a food truck there on the side, which now a lot of breweries are doing that. They have the place where you can go in and get your drinks, and then they have a food truck on the outside. I love the hometown feel that this place has. They have a small park here right next to the railroad tracks. Wow, look at that picture. Is that not beautiful or what? The last time I was here, I didn't see a train run through here, so I don't even know if these tracks are still operating. Let's walk over to see this red barn. I love red barns. And that is an old one. Picture perfect. Me and Gina only need 1 acre. That is all we need. Me and Gina haven't done anything with the land we bought out in Colorado. We're planning on doing something there in the future. But at the same time, we're thinking of buying some land to either North Carolina, maybe, Tennessee. I think it'll be really cool. We can go out and just take the RV out there and stay for a couple weeks. Let's go over there and climb those stairs. I think there's a school up there. Let's go check it out. Yeah, I just love these old buildings. See, instead of a typical house, I can definitely do something like that and just fix it up. It's just square, but I don't know, I like it. Alright, so I think it's an elementary school that's up here. But hell, let's go up and maybe we can get a view from up top. Class of 1956. Yeah, most def. Check out that scenery. You can't beat this view from up top. Sometimes when I'm filming and I see these places, I feel like I should just bring out a canvas and start painting. I don't know if it's just me, but I always feel like the air is so much fresher here.
This looks like it could be one of the props from the movie Hoosiers.
It's hard to believe that was 79 years ago. 1943 must have been when the school opened. Because as you go up the steps, the years progress. So I was going to grab a bite to eat, but after eating all those damn Doritos, I don't think I can. I think I'm going to go over here and have a beer though, over at that brewery. That's another bar over here in the corner, but I think I'm going to go over to the other one. Thank you, bud. Almost think like, who uses cash anymore, right? You guys take credit card, right? Yeah. Okay, cool. So I know next time. Well, I changed my mind. Well, I gotta say that beer was really good, and also that Philly cheesesteak, to die for. It was really, really good. I'm very surprised. It's kind of a shame. That place is only open Friday and Saturday, and I'm pretty sure it's because they can't find help. A lot of places are having the same issue. They just can't find anybody to work. I see McDonald's and Burger King sometimes closing at 5 o'clock. It just sucks. Guys, I really hate what is going on right now. Gas prices are going up. I don't know if you saw that last video that I posted, but I spent $87 to fill up this gas tank in this van. I mean, about a year ago, it would probably cost me about $60 to $65. The other day, I went to get some chicken cutlets at the store,
and they didn't even have those. I also went for a small rack that I needed, a small towel rack, over at Walmart, and I couldn't find anything under 20 bucks. That should have cost like $8 or $9. I normally order through Amazon, but every once in a while it's nice to just go into a box store and get it done and over with. Well, that is my rant, and I hate to leave the video that way, but thank you guys so much for tagging along with me. I hope you guys enjoy this as much as I do, and we've got more places to go see. So we'll see you guys on the next video.